वेलकम टू आवर चैनल बी ऑलवेज लर्नर। इस वीडियो में हम फोरियर ट्रांसफॉर्म की ऑटो कोरिलेशन प्रॉपर्टी को प्रूव करेंगे। आपको वीडियो पसंद आएगा, लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलिएगा। ऑटो कोरिलेशन प्रॉपर्टी इज डिफाइंड। पहले तो हमें ऑटो कोरिलेशन को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं हम एक्स, आर एक्स एक्स से, राइट, और विच इज द फंक्शन ऑफ टाउ। और इस ऑटो कोरिलेटेड सीक्वेंस का हमें फोरियर ट्रांसफॉर्म निकालना है। So by definition of autocorrelation, we can write the Fourier transform of xt and convolution with conjugate of folded sequence. That is, by definition, we can write. Now, the Fourier transform of autocorrelated sequence is represented further by Fourier transform of convolution of the sequences. So by definition of convolution हम इसको रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं एक्स टी इंटीग्रेशन माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू इन्फिनिटी एक्स टी एंड एक्स स्टार टी माइनस टाउ डी टी. So that's how we can represent. Now by the definition of Fourier transform we can represent that integration from minus infinity to infinity bracket start integration from minus infinity to infinity xt and x star t minus tau dt in the bracket, that is d tau. And we should also remember the function minus j omega tau d tau. So that is, by definition of Fourier transform, we can represent it like this. So for that, let t minus tau, that is equal to, say, some lambda, dummy variable. So by derivative, we can write here d tau is minus d tau is equal to lambda. After derivative, we can represent it like this. So we can put the value of d tau, that is equal to minus of d lambda. So that we will use in our numerical. Now for that we can write that integration from minus infinity to infinity, we can write xt e raised to the power minus j omega t dt. Can separate this integration with respect to time, and another we can just put the value x here, x lambda, and e raised to the power minus j omega lambda and d lambda. So that's how we can write the equation. Now for that we can have, then this part is represented by j omega, complex conjugate of this, and this is x of j omega with complex conjugate. So that is equal to mod of x j omega square. So it means the autocorrelation of two sequences in time domain is equal to the multiplication of the sequence of the two sequence or the two frequency domain representation of the same signal. One is the signal in frequency domain, another is the complex conjugate of that. So that can also be represented by the mod of x j omega raised to the power 2. So आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा, आप लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए.